Hello and welcome to New Spitalfields Market, London. So today we are here to have a quick look in the Spitalfields Market to have an experience about fruit and vegetable shopping. So, oh my God! As soon as I'm here, it starts raining again. I don't know what's going on. So we're just going to start our vlog from here, as it is going to be a very quick one. So let's start. I'm gonna turn around my camera towards the market. Yeah. So there are three entrances. Basically, as you can see, one on my right, then one in the middle, and one in the far left. So I'm gonna go from the right one. Let's see, because of rain it's really messy around here. So this is fruit and vegetable market of London. You have to be very careful while walking around here, because as you can see, these forklifts, you never know, they're coming from right, left, everywhere. So just they're gonna beep you. You have to be alert. तो ये जो forklift है किसी साइड से भी आ सकता है. ये एक एग्जिट इस साइड पे भी है. So mostly these exits are for the wholesale buyer. They're gonna park their vans outside to the nearest point, because they are buying in bulks, you know. So yeah, a lot of stuff you're gonna see around here. Strawberries, you know, figs, cherry, blueberry. There is another exit on the right. So these are crossways, basically, on the right then on the left. So through this crossway we can go to the other side of the market, other two portions, you know. So just keep going to the end, then I will take you to the middle and then next one. It's mangoes. This weather, mangoes isn't surprising. As you can see, one forklift is coming from this side. So yeah. So this way as well. I'll keep going to the end. There are multiple crossways in all these three, you can say, warehouses to connect each other and to go out as well. So one more here on the right. And same again to the left, all the way to the end outside. Okay, so you can find all sort of vegetable and fruit in this market, where you may have to buy in the bulk because mostly all these are in boxes, as you can see on those packing. So, as you can see from here, आप देखते हो क्या लेना है जो भी मैं पहुंचता हूँ. So we are here on the other end of the warehouse. Maybe we can go, I can show you back side. So we can go from other gate. So you can see the big lorries and vans are on this side. Around the market, mostly big lorries and vans are around the market. For car, you know, they have separate parking for cars, because I came on the car, so I had to park in the car park. So yeah, this is the middle one. Be careful. Be careful, guys, if you are coming in fruit market. So you need to be careful. So as you can see, I'm just walking. This is a walkway for pedestrian. So yeah, we are here on the crossroad on both sides. So they are taking you either in other warehouse or to the outside as well. So yeah, fruit market is open, I think 6 days a week. It's closed only on Sunday morning. Otherwise it's open for 6 days. So yeah, come here. It's gonna be amazing experience. So if you are interested buying fruit or vegetable in bulk, it's a good idea to come here. Apart from being cheap, one more thing is at least it's fresh as well. Just gonna give you a glimpse of the store. This on the left side, what type of fruit they have here. Vegetable, fruit mix. And you can see piles of banana. I think a lot of fruit and vegetables comes here from all over the world, I believe. Such a massive market. It's cauliflower. Yeah. Oranges, peaches, carrots. It's too much. So whatever you like, I think you can find here. There was dragon fruit as well here, kiwi. I need to be careful here. You see how these guys are moving around. So yeah, before coming here, just keep in mind you have to be alert all the time. Keep yourself on pedestrian walkway. So we are on the end of the middle warehouse. So you can see where I started from. We can go down that side to our car park. So I'm gonna enter from the next warehouse. So yeah, this is the last one. Papaya, lemon, I mean whatever you can imagine, I believe you can find here. Let me take you this side to have a look what is on this side. So basically that is separate walkway for pedestrians. So you can have an idea what you can expect. So I'm gonna walk here from the outside just to show you what you can expect from the outside of the market. Mostly wholesale buyers are here with their vans and lorries because they are loading in this area as they are bulk buyer. So yeah, if you are coming on your own car, you may have to park in the car park. You can't come in this area. So again we're going inside on this walkway. This side only forklifters they can move, but this is walking area. Well, you can see we can go to the middle and the last one from here. So yeah, just to complete my third one, I'm gonna take it this way. There's lychee. There's such a big pepper. So especially these crossways, you need to be very much careful. You never know from your right or left any forklifter is gonna come. So grapes, black grapes, man. Strawberry, cucumber. Be careful here. Okay. So we're nearly on the other end of the warehouse. Oh yeah, you can find plants here as well. You may be able to see inside here. So if you are really buying into plants, you know, So you can have lot of flowers, other plants, Inside these are flowers, so outside you can see plants in the pots. It's amazing. So I think there's only one shop here. So we are at the end. So as you can see this side, yeah, we've been here to the post warehouse. Okay, let's go back. So we almost covered the whole market. So this is something different type of store. I think you can find bags and material for plants, So now it's sorted here, mostly vegetables and fruit. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna take you from this crossway all the way to the end to give you an idea to the other side. So more or less, I think mostly wholesale buyers are on around the warehouse, because they got loading area being bulk buyers, so it's easy for them to load their vehicles nearby. तो जैसा कि आपने देख लिया पूरी मार्केट में मैंने आपको घुमा दिया। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं we are in the first one now. So yeah, now we are outside to the right side of the market. So I think it's one-way traffic. They are going this way outside. So coming from the other side, and then they go outside from this side. Yeah. As you can see, they are loading in the vans and the lorries. Okay, so we are nearly at the end of the vlog. Hopefully you liked this vlog. It was a bit informative for you guys. So let me finish here. See you guys later on. Take care. Bye bye.